Yesterday's hearing for a petition for his removal was postponed because of a motion filed by Seleznev's attorney, Patrick Seville, seeking his immediate release based on, quote, outrageous government misconduct. Seville argues Seleznev was illegally removed or kidnapped from the Maldives to Guam. Seleznev was indicted several years ago on charges of aggravated identity theft and bank fraud in Washington state. Assistant U.S. Attorney Maravik David argued that the only issue before the federal judge in Guam is to establish whether he is in fact the individual named in the indictment. All other issues that are being raised should be decided in the district where the indictment is pending. In his response brief filed today, Seville argues because federal courts are powerless to act without jurisdiction, the preliminary determination of whether there is jurisdiction over a defendant must be heard in the district of removal. He also questions whether any U.S. court has jurisdiction over his client as a result of his, quote, illegal kidnapping before being spirited away to another district thousands of miles away, end quote. Seleznev has been detained on Guam for the last 2 weeks. The U.S. Secret Service describes him as one of the world's most prolific traffickers of stolen information, accused of defrauding Chase Bank, Capital One, and Citibank. Late this afternoon, Judge Francis Tidinko Gatewood issued an order for both parties to file supplemental briefs focusing on the defense's assertion that her court does not have personal jurisdiction over Seleznev to even conduct a removal proceeding. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.
And can go outside